what'd you think?
It's smooth.
Super smooth?
Smooth and responsive. I like it.
Anything you didn't like? Be honest with me, it's okay. There's got to be something you didn't like.
Well, no, I mean, nothing. It did everything I asked it to do, so.
All right. Well, thanks for giving it a whirl, buddy. Appreciate it. So what'd you think of the system?
I thought the system was badass. I mean, it works just like you want it to. It does exactly what you want it to. It's got the super crawl and wheel speed when you want it. I'm sold on it, man. I've always loved HOBBYWING. So I run them in all my race cars, and now I'm gonna have one for my crawler because I've been waiting for this to come out. So hell yeah.
Awesome.
Sold on it, dude.
Cool. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Bumps.
Thing's badass.
Dano, you got to drive the Axe for, well, how long was that? 2 minutes?
About a minute or so, yeah.
What'd you think?
I really liked it. Really smooth, drag brake's really nice. I like the kind of the power it's got. Really smooth going up hills. Definitely gonna have to buy one.
Thanks, Dano. What'd you think?
It's flawless. I think it is. It's the smoothest radio, or not the radio, sorry, it's the smoothest car I've ever driven. The downhill RPM match is definitely the make or break for me. And the uphill, it gives there's no cog when you're trying to, not like downshift, but when you're trying to get in a bind and you got to get up and past something. There's no hesitation, it just keeps going the same RPM up the hill and down.
Awesome. Thanks, man, I appreciate it. Thanks for giving it a whirl.
No problem.
All right, go. You did a little mini loop. What'd you think?
I think it is a really good crawler. I like its very slow ability to drive, very smooth, very clean. There's no glitchiness about it. It actually wheels really good. I was pretty impressed.
Awesome. Cool, thanks, man. Anything you didn't like?
I don't have anything to say about didn't likes.
I like that a lot. 3 gates, 5 minutes with it. What do you think?
It's off the hook. Creepy crawling, super smooth, HOBBYWING.
Right on, dog. Thanks. All right, Phil O just got to spend 7 or 8 minutes with a new Axe system. What'd you think, Phil?
Dude, I like it. It's super smooth down low, and I'm pretty picky about low speed.
What do you run in your regular rig as just a point of comparison?
I run a Holmes Crawlmaster 16 turn, like 11 tooth pinion, because I like that slow lug by lug.
This matches that, beats it, same, similar. Honest opinion, don't.
Dude, honest opinion, like it's more controllable consistently, like at that super slow. So I want one.
Awesome, thanks,
When's it
Phil.
come out?
We appreciate it. 1 week.
1 week.
1 week, I hope. I've been saying
it?
that for 3 weeks now, so we'll see. It's $250. It comes with comes with a Bluetooth built in, has waterproof and fully censored and reverse voltage protection as well. So
just in case you hook it up backwards.
You never know. Borrow a battery. Bullet plugs are the devil.
Sick, dude. I like it.
Awesome. Thanks, man. Differences in your stock feel versus this Axe system that you were driving?
I couldn't really tell, to me personally.
That's awesome, I think, personally. Like, don't be ashamed of saying that you can't tell a difference, because that's what we're kind of going for.
Yeah.
I got a switch button hose.
What are you running in your stock truck? The stock system that came with it? So the stock axial motor, stock axial speed control, the brush setup.
Stock.
Yeah. And this 1800 system felt real similar to you as what we would say, no discredit, just first time driver. That's the truth of the matter. You haven't been doing scalers for 10 years or anything like us old folks.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks very much for your time, and thanks for giving the truck a wheel. We appreciate it, sir.
Yeah.
Bumps. All right, Fern, you've been gone for 5-10 minutes with the system and the TRX4. What'd you think?
Wow, it's really cool. It feels like a brushed system, and with going down a decline, you have full control whether you want to go super slow, super fast, not stop and go like so many other brushless systems out there. So yeah, that's a really amazing system. What KV is that?
That's the 2300 system.
2300. Nice. Yeah,
that's awesome. First gear. If you push the button by your thumb, it's second gear. Show them the full speeds. Bottom button. By your thumb. This guy.
There we go.
Punch it. What a terrible driver.
Now it's going fast.
High five. Thanks for giving it a whirl, buddy. I appreciate it.